And now we are moving to the last element, or the last phase, water.
Water is something wonderful. Water is life, and this is how the Chinese drew water long time ago, flowing to the deepness places in earth, always going to the deep places, going down. And today, this is how they write water. And if you can see, it's in a circle. It has no sharp edges, so it could flow. And it also flows to all directions. So when you start studying calligraphy, one of the basic and first characters that you learn is the word eternal, which is taken from water. This is eternal. What you do is you add this and on top of it, and it becomes eternal. Because water symbolizes something that never ends, that is eternal and flowing all the time. And what about this, Yair? This is really interesting because we are talking about, emotions. You can't see it well here. Maybe we'll take another piece of paper. This is the word depression. How is it connected to water? We have the 3 drops of water, which whenever we see that, we know that we're talking about water. And the water is the root. And then, this is the word depression. So this time, I'm going to draw 2 possibilities, and you'll tell me which one is yin and which one is yang. Okay?
Small exam, I'll take
try
the
to guess.
challenge.
Okay. You try to guess. And I'll draw it also, there are different styles of writing. So I can do the cursive, or the flow, or the very direct. Okay? So what if I draw the water like that?
It looks nice and flowing.
Yeah, definitely yin, very flow, very cursive, like a woman. And if it is very strong water, then maybe we can again start like that, and the water.
It's like a flood.
Yeah, it goes out of the paper.